Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the common problem that occurs with the Xampp. So whenever we go to the Xampp control panel and try to start the MySQL, then it shows the error MySQL shutdown unexpectedly. So there are three possible solutions to the problem. So the first solution is that we can run our Xampp using the administrative privileges. So we're going to right click on the Xampp control panel and then click on run as administrator. So now our control panel has the administrative privileges. So now we're going to start the MySQL. So you can see the problem has not been fixed. We have the same problem. So now we're going to talk about the second method. So in the second method we're going to go to the Xampp directory. So we're going to go Xampp and then inside the MySQL folder. So here you can see we have two folders. We have the backup folder and the data folder. So the data folder contains all the files that the database uses, and the backup folder contains a single recent copy of the MySQL. So we're going to basically use the backup files instead of the data files. So to do that, instead of deleting the data folder, we're going to rename that to other name like XYZ. And now we're going to rename the backup folder name and we're gonna rename it to data. So now the MySQL will use the backup files. So once we have done that, now let's go and start the MySQL. So if we just click on that, so you can see we still have the error MySQL shut down unexpectedly. So now we're gonna apply the third method. So in the third method we're going to change the MySQL port. So one of the most common causes of the MySQL error is that the port of the MySQL, which is by default 3306, is being used by another software. So what we can do, we can change the port that is used by the MySQL. So to change the port, we're going to click on the config and here we have the my.ini. So we're going to click on that. So this is our configuration file. So here we're going to change the port number, which is by default 3306, and we're going to assign any other port number which is not used by other software. So we're going to change the port number and we're going to use the port number 3307, and also we have to change it here and we're going to use the port 3307. So now we're going to save the file. And now once we have saved the configuration file, let's now start the MySQL. So we have successfully started our MySQL and the MySQL is running on the port 3307. So this is the way we can fix the MySQL problem. So if any of the method is really helped you and solve the problem, then you can give the video a like. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.